Hello YouTube, I will be doing this my IP video in English language, and this is my channel URL showing on the screen. The reviewer that reviewed my channel for monetization gave the feedback that my channel contains reused content. Well, in this video, I'll be appealing to this decision to show that the videos in my channel are original and that I made them by myself. This I will do by showing how I create the videos in my channel. The major video that I create in my channel is the song file notation of songs. I'll give a step-by-step process of how I create this video. First of all, I'll begin with writing down the song file notation of the song in a book. Then after writing it down in a book, then I will go to my WhatsApp status, the one for writing. I will write down the song files there, and then I will screenshot it as a picture. Then after screenshotting it as a picture, I'll go to my sound recorder and I will sing the soft annotation by myself. I will sing it by myself. After singing the soft annotation, now I have the pictures and the soft annotation that I have sung. I will go to the InShot app. When I go to the InShot app, I will press the video, creating a video. Then I will select the pictures, then crop it, edit it, then add the sound recorder. After I add the sound recorder, I'll make sure that the sound recorder, the song that I've sung, that it synchronizes, that the software synchronizes with the pictures. So this is the comprehensive process of how I create it. Then after making sure that it's synchronized with the picture showing on the screen, I will then save it and post it to YouTube. Another major type of video that I create, which is the one that I think that YouTube tag as a copyright, is the violin covers of song that I play. I'm a violinist and I play the violin covers of song. Now this my video was tagged copyright. I will show how this video belongs to me originally. Now, I played this video by myself. This first song showing here, is Violin Cover of Glorious by David Archuleta. This song, I recorded it by myself. First of all, I put on the sound recorder, and I put on my camera. Then I played the song. I connected my phone to my Bluetooth. I played the song, recorded it. Then after recording the violin cover, both camera and audio record, then I saved the audio. Then I went to BandLab app. And then I filtered the audio. And after filtering the audio, I came to the InShot app. And I made sure I pasted the audio and I make sure that it's synchronized with the video on the screen. So this is how I create this my violin video. I make sure that it's synchronized with the video on my screen. So this violin song is original to me. That is me on the screen playing that song. So I don't think there's any place on YouTube that you find me playing that song except on this my channel. So the same with this violin's cover of Unstoppable by Sia. This is the same process that I use in creating it. I played it by myself. So when I saw that this video contained copyrights, I wanted to review the issues, but then I saw that they wrote there that this does not affect my channel, that this is not a copyright strike, that this strike that it does not affect my channel. So I am confused how this will be used against me. So I'm assuring you that the videos in my channel I created by myself through this series of processes that I have explained now. So I hope that this my appeal video will be accepted and it will be taken into great consideration. Thank you.